What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Top Market Trading here, and today we're going to be talking about one of the biggest EV stocks out in the market right now, NIO, ticker symbol NIO. Now, in this video, guys, I'm going to go over why I think NIO is a really good buy right now, under $40, and also go over some technical analysis on where I think NIO is heading into the future. But before we get into the video, guys, make sure you guys go down below, hit that subscribe button, and also check out my channel. I make a bunch of stock videos every week about the best stocks going into 2021 that you guys definitely don't want to miss out on. And also, guys, I just made a Discord down below in the description. Make sure you guys go and check that out. It's free to join. We offer the best stock callouts every morning, talk about stocks every day, and also offer one-on-one trading lessons that will help you guys better your trading. Also, guys, it's free, so make sure you guys just come on in, join, try it out. There's nothing, it's nothing gonna hurt you. So, on that note, guys, let's get into the video about NIO. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at NIO's charts, we can see that on Friday's trading session, they did manage to close out the day at $38.11. But in that trading session on Friday, we saw a major dip to around $31.98 a share before, like I said, closing out at the $38.11 line. Now, if we go ahead and pull back the charts on NIO, we can see that they have been on a major decline since around February 10th when they were trading around $63, $64 a share. And that's mainly due to the market as a whole being very choppy and very volatile. As you guys probably noticed in the past couple of weeks, people were panic selling and selling just in general because they thought a stock market crash was coming. And honestly, I would say a stock market correction happened, but I think that we are starting to see the bottom of it. And as you can see, with NIO closing out at $38.50 in after hours at this support line, that's really huge for them going into next week's trading session and beyond. So like I mentioned, this blue line right here is going to be our support line here at the $38.50 range. Now, if I pull back the charts on NIO, we could see that back in November of last year, this line right here managed to act as a support line for NIO. And as you can see, whenever NIO dipped, it would dip, touch this line, and bounce off. One time, two times, three times. If I pull it even more, four times as we're coming up to retest the support. So guys, this is a really good sign that a lot of people think that NIO is worth around $38 if we're seeing major support at this level of trading. So this makes me want to believe going into 2021 for the rest of the year, I think that NIO is really actually a $40 to $45 stock due to the fact that back in November last year in 2020, as you guys can remember, they didn't have their NIO day yet, which they revealed their ET7 sedan and some future plans about what they were going to do as a company going into 2021. So with all of that news not yet released, they were still trading around, 30 to $40 and touching 50 sometimes in those $30 to $50 range. So I can expect with the market to recover, I think that NIO will recover to around $45 a share and start holding that price line for a while, but until they get any like good news release or anything like that, maybe a good next quarter, because as you guys probably noticed, NIO's earnings for quarter four of 2020 weren't the best. They didn't beat Wall Street estimates, which is why NIO also fell in this past couple of weeks. But as you can look from the actual revenue to the estimated revenue, they only missed it by I think like 8 million. I'm sorry if this is wrong math. I think it's like 8 billion, and that's actually not that much. Um, and as you can see in quarter three to quarter four, their consensus estimate did go down a cent. Their reported EPS did lose around 9 cents. And I mean, that's actually not the worst for NIO. As we know, NIO was in the midst of in the past couple months in the midst of a Chinese New Year, so I don't think a lot of the Chinese market were trying to spend money on a car for the New Year's. I'm pretty sure they were just trying to spend it on festival stuff. So that's probably going to be a reason why NIO sales weren't the best. But I think going into 2021 and with the next earnings quarter coming up, I think that NIO is really going to kill it. And also, like I said, I think NIO is really going to be pushing back to that $45 range where I think they're going to hold for a little bit. Also, guys, one thing to keep in watch is that the new stimulus check that Biden actually pushed, the $1.9 trillion stimulus check, actually passed the Senate, and they're just waiting on the House to pass it, which could come within the next week. And if this stimulus check passes, guys, we're going to see a big push in the stock market, which could bring NIO back to those $40 to $45 ranges that we were talking about earlier in the video. Now, guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you guys go down below, hit that thumbs up button, and also let me know down in the comments what you guys think about NIO and the stock market as a whole going into 2021. And on that note, guys, good luck in your trading session tomorrow, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.